Ever wondered what guest posting is and why it's a game changer for website owners? Let's dive in. Guest posting is like a digital collaboration, where one author steps onto another's platform to share their unique insights and expertise for the core purpose of getting backlinks. But why bother with guest posting, did you ask? It helps to expand your online presence, bring your more audiences, and build meaningful connections with website owners. Let's have a look at some simple steps for successful guest posting. Step 1. First, know your goals and define what you want. Step 2. Find opportunities. Hunt for websites that welcome guest posts. Step 3. Reach out to website owners with a killer pitch. Step 4. Write great content. Step 5. And at last, make connections with audience. Now, the how. You can reach out to websites in your niche, or for a hassle-free experience, team up with guest posting services like WebyLinks. At WebyLinks, we specialize in connecting you with high-quality websites, ensuring your guest posts hit the right notes with the right audience. Are you ready to unlock its potential for your brand with us? Let's make it happen together.